Hey, I'm Max, Head of Student Success at Pathway CTM.
Hi, I'm Tom, a former Networks degree apprentice and now network professional at BT. I applied for 8 different apprenticeships, so had a slightly different CV and cover letter all the way through. And together with Max, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about CVs and cover letters.
To start your CV, you need to put your contact details on. This includes your name, sensible email address and mobile phone number. You don't need your national insurance number, date of birth, when you left school or your home address. This is to avoid age discrimination and to safeguard you. Next up is your profile section.
From my experience, the profile section on your CV is your opportunity to introduce yourself and your career goals. For me, that was my interest in technology and my passion and enthusiasm to learn.
Then we have your key skills, hobbies and achievements section. In this section, an employer will want to see a snapshot of what you are all about.
In my skills, hobbies and achievements section, I shared a couple of things that I did outside of school, whether that be student bodies, volunteering, helping in my local community. These were things that I included. But most importantly for me was resilience. And having that on my CV was really important to show employers that I can bounce back to change and that we're quick to learn.
Let's move on to grades and schooling.
So in this section, I just listed my grades. If you have a large number of GCSEs, list the amount of the grades you got rather than each individual subject. So for example, 11 GCSEs 4 to 9. This saves space and makes your CV clearer and easier to read. If you're still in education, then you can include predicted grades if you have them.
Next we have the work experience section. Work experience is great if you have it, but if not, talk more about key achievements at school, such as being a member of a sports team or volunteering in the school library.
Your wider experiences through your time at school, from extracurricular opportunities as well as any volunteering or charity work, make you who you are. That's where you can build those soft skills that make you employable, and you can bring those skills to make you attractive to an employer.
So now your CV is complete, let's move on to that cover letter. The first paragraph is simply what you are applying for, who you are, and where you have seen it advertised.
In the next part of my cover letter, I included some of the things that really motivated me to work in technology. Some of that came from my part-time work in theatre, but also generally my curiosity to connect people in IP-based networks. It needs to be quick and easy for them to understand. And also, have a think about how some of your skills can help battle some of their challenges. What's really, really important is that you link everything back to the job description and the role you're applying for, making it relevant to the role and the employer.
We hope you found this video useful. For more help and advice from Pathway CTM, please see our other videos or contact us on student@pathwayctm.com.